Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see how to create a website using a Python, and I am using a PyCharm IDE. So let's go in. Uh, just go to the file. First we need to install some libraries. Just go to the files and settings. In this files and settings, go to the project entrepreneur. Okay. In that, just go to add and install Flask. Okay. After installing Flask, just go and install this Ninja 2. Okay. Because these both is a basic platform to create a website. Okay, after that just go to this here and click and just click a new directory, and in this new directory just type these templates. Okay, template will be displayed here. Okay, it will be saved there, and after that just go there and create a new HTML file there, because we are gonna save HTML files there in the templates only. Okay, just use HTML4 file, don't use HTML5 file. Okay, in this HTML5 there are more tags which is not can't be used in that HTML5, so it is not an updated version. Okay, just use HTML4 file if you are using a PyCharm IDE. Okay, I'm telling about in particularly in PyCharm IDE, not any other Python or something. Okay, just type index.html. It is the base platform. After that, after creating the syntax, it will be showed here this templates below the templates. In the template directory, this index.html will be stored. Okay, now we are going to moving to website tutorial 1.py. This is a Python file, and we are going to import Flask libraries. Okay, from the Flask itself. Okay, from Flask, sorry, from Flask we are going to import Flask function, redirect function, URL for function. First, this is the basic we are going to use. Next, we are going to create a variable called app. In this app, we are going to use the Flask. Sorry, my bad. Flask, and we are going to import a name. This name will be imported directly from the website itself. What the name which you are giving the name in the website, this will be imported directly here to the Flask. Okay. After that, we are going to create a. We are going to root the app. So that if you are using a google.com or something, after that Google, the slash would be coming. Okay, so after that slash, what should be coming, what it should become, everything will be defined by this app.root. So first you can't understand. After that, if we are going more and more programs, you can understand. At app.root, we are gonna make a function, define a function called just write home, or whatever it is. Then in that home, we are going to return we are going to return some words. Just let us say, hi, I am admin. Okay, after that, if wait a minute, if name is comparing to main app.run. Okay, let us just run this up. Okay, yeah, look, everything serving Flask app website tutorial is lazy loading, environment production warning. This is a development info server. Do not use it in a production development. Use a production VWS GI server instead. Debug mode is off, and it is running on this server. Okay, if I am clicking this, it goes there. Look, we created a website. It is saying that hi, I am admin. Okay, but if you are, this is for slash, look that app.root. So in this, if I am putting anything app or something, look, it is not, the requested URL not going. Suppose I am clicking here app, okay, and I am running this website. Okay, now look, this website is not found, but in app it came. Okay, so let us create another arrow. Copy this. Sorry, I'm just a little bit lazy. Okay. Let's say, let's create some headers. Okay, h1, this is the header which is used. Admin. Okay, let's refresh. Sorry, this is my mistake. Okay. Admin. Let's refresh. Sorry, my bad. Okay, let's just refresh this itself. Okay, sorry, something is going. Oh, sorry, this is the admin. We need to change here. Just type app. Okay, app itself, and just okay. Sorry, something is. Yep, here is the problem I found out. Because in this app, here is the app, here is the app, here is the app. So everything is app means. So it is doing something. Let's say it is as add. Okay, let's refresh it. Uh, yeah, it came. Look, this is a high admin. Let's say app. It came. Okay, so let's make some headers in here itself. H1, welcome to my channel. Okay, okay, let's run this. Uh, it will be coming, right? Yeah, normal it will be came. Yeah, it came. Welcome to my channel. Okay, next. Uh, Next is how to create a name in that itself. Just app.root. In that, just type name itself. Okay, just like, and define user inside name. Okay, and return. I'm going to use a keyword called f. In this f, we are going to use why f means we are going to insert this name. Okay, wait, hi, the open two braces, close braces, and the name, which name you are using itself, this name will be printed in the website. Okay, then ANF. If you need more and more the same names in the same website in a more and more page lines or something, means just go here and welcome my dear name. Okay, H1. Okay, let's run this. Yeah, just go and click hi admin. Just put app welcome to my channel, because I wrote app admin. Look, hi admin, welcome my dear admin. Sorry that I didn't give any space to that. Okay, now let's run again. Okay, go. Look, VS Electrorobotics. Hi VS Electrorobotics, welcome my dear VS Electrorobotics. Okay, okay. Now we are going to add something. If I click admin, it should go to again back to my home page. That's the main thing. If some user is using and it is in a user page, and if admin wants to use, so if admin is clicking admin, it should redirect to the original page. Okay, let's make that how it is going to at app.root bar admin. In that admin we are going to define admin in this, sorry I forgot something, in this return redirect URL for home. I'm going to the home page. Okay, let's run this. Yeah, let us look. Hi, I am admin. Suppose I am using a user, it will be there. If I am using admin, hi admin, welcome to my channel, it gone to the thing. Okay, yeah, because I send it to home, so in the original page it is called hi admin, welcome to my page. So just take this app, something else, right? Okay, in this just put app. Here I am user, it will be confusing. Okay, let's refresh. After refreshing, let's go there. Hi admin, welcome to my channel. This is the home page. Okay, then I am using app. I am a user. If you are using a user, hi user, welcome my dear user. Just if you are an admin, just put admin, it will be redirecting to that page. Hi, I am admin, welcome to my channel. Okay, after that we are going to use this index template, index.html template, and we are going to use something around this. We will be seeing in a tutorial too. Okay.